Hi, today I want to share with you a clear art journal that I made. This idea is inspired by Tiffany with Southern Girl Designs. On the cover was just a photo of my ancestors, and then I've used photos of my grandparents in here a lot, as well as some little bits of ephemera, coffee dyed paper, stamped paper, ink splattered paper, mixed media photography, some cheesecloth, some coffee stained doilies. Here I've got a music sheet with some ink splattered on it, some more dyed cheesecloth and stamped papers. Here's a beautiful photo of my grandmother. And then on the right side is a photo of my grandma and grandpa. And again, my grandma and grandpa, my dad and his siblings when they were little. And then here, another piece of stamped paper, coffee stained doily, some more coffee stained papers, and that's it. And then it's tied together with a piece of twine. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.